Yes, indeed, I saw the news report when Senator Ping Lacson mentioned that there are approximately 67 congressmen and more who are involved in projects. However, Mr. Chair, in the subsequent interviews that he gave, he mentioned that he cannot give names because it was one of the members of Congress who fed this information. I am not objecting to an investigation to uncover the 67 congressmen, if ever they exist. However, Mr. Chair, what I am worried is the fact that the oversight powers of Congress will be clipped in the guise of conflict of interest. Ang sa akin lang po, nirerespeto ko po ang sinasabi ni Congressman Shel Jokno at ni Congresswoman Laila De Lima. Subalit, itong mga nakarang araw, kung titingnan natin ang budget ng Department of Public Works and Highways, nagugulat ako. Kasi tila may pumasok sa NEP na mukhang hindi naman dumaan galing sa baba. There is a big possibility that the needed projects are changed to wanted projects. Ang want ay gusto pero walang benepisyo sa taong bayan. Ang need ay kailangan. And with the current budget deliberations and the oversight powers of Congress, it's time for us to uncover the process and the system. Bakit ba paulit-ulit ito na nangyayari? Let the investigation proceed, let the third-party investigation proceed to uncover the people behind this. But let us not forget that we cannot just sit and be taken out that we are the voice of our people and we need to correct the system. Kasi kung paulit-ulit ito na nangyayari, saan ba nagsisimula ang virus na ito? With that, Mr. Speaker, there was a point of order. I am not sure which section was violated. May I therefore ask for the ruling of the chair?
Mr. Chair, before